Magandang araw po sa lahat. Ako nga po pala si Dan Justin V. Cantillo. Kasama ko sina Joyce D. Cane at Maria Mia Cabato. Kami po ang Group 2 at ngayon naman po ay tatalakayin namin ang patungkol sa Module 2, Locus of an Equation and a Straight Line. Ang Module 2 ay may 5 exercises. At ang bawat isa po nito ay aming ipapaliwanag kung paano po nakuha ang mga sagot.
Find the equation of a locus of a point P, x, y for the specific condition. The first condition is equidistance from point A, which is 3 and 0, and P, which is 4 and negative 3. The formula for this one is square root of xa minus x squared plus square root of ya minus y squared is equal to square root of xb minus x squared plus square root of yb minus y squared. By substitution, it will be square root of 3 minus x squared plus square root of 0 minus y squared is equal to square root of 4 minus x squared plus square root of negative 3 plus y squared. So it will be 3 minus x squared plus 0 minus y squared is equal to 4 minus x squared plus negative 3 minus y squared. And after that, it will be 9 minus 6x plus x squared plus y squared is equal to 16 minus 8x plus x squared plus 9 plus 6y plus y squared. And after that, it will be 9 minus 6x is equal to 25 minus 8x plus 6y. The answer will be 2x minus 6y minus 16 is equal to 0. So the final answer is x minus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. The second condition is its distance from L, which is 2 and 1, is always twice its distance from S, which is negative 1 and 3. The solution for this one is square root of 2 minus x squared plus square root of 1 minus y squared is equal to 2 square root of negative 1 minus x squared plus square root of 3 minus y squared. And it will be 2 minus x squared plus 1 minus y squared is equal to 4 times negative 1 minus x squared plus 3 minus y squared. The answer will be 4 minus 4x plus x squared plus 1 plus 2y plus minus plus 1 minus 2y minus 2 squared is equal to 4 1 plus 2x plus x squared plus 9 minus 6y plus y squared. And it will be x squared minus 4x plus 5 minus 2y plus y squared is equal to 4x squared plus 8x plus 4 plus 4y squared minus 24y plus 36. And it will be x squared minus 4x plus 5 minus 2y plus y squared is equal to, isamahin yung mga magkakapareha, it will be 4x squared plus 8x plus 4y squared minus 24y plus 40. So the answer will be 3x squared plus 3y squared plus 12x minus 22y equal to 0. And the last condition is equidistance from point R, which is 0 and 2, and the horizontal line y is equals to negative 1. The solution for this one is square root of x cubed minus x squared plus square root of y cubed minus y squared is equals to xl minus x squared plus square root of yl minus y squared. By substitution, it will be square root of 0x squared plus square root of 2 minus y squared is equal to x minus x squared plus square root of negative 1 y squared. And it will be 0 minus x squared plus 2 minus y squared is equal to x minus x squared plus negative 1 minus y squared. And it will be x squared plus 4 minus 4y is equal to 1 plus 2y. So the final answer will be x squared minus 6y plus 3 equals to 0. Classify the following equation of a curve as algebraic or transcendental curves. The first one is y is equal to Euler to the power of 4x sine 4x is a transcendental curve. The second one is y is equals to 5x to the power of 5 minus 4 minus x cubed plus 3x squared minus 12 is a algebraic curve. The next one is y is equals to arctan Euler to the power of 4x minus 2 plus 4 is a transcendental curve. And the fourth one is y is equals to 2 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of negative x over 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of negative x is a algebraic curve. And the last one is y is equals to log of 3 times sine x plus cosine x is a transcendental curve.
Hello everyone, I am Joyce Kane and I'm going to explain about the exercise 3 and 4 of module 2. So in exercise 3 part A, it says that determine the x and y intercepts of the following equations of the curves. So number 1, 4x minus 7y minus 28 is equals to 0. Unahin na natin kunin yung x-intercept. So let y is equals to 0. 4x minus 7y minus 28 is equals to 0. 4x minus 7 times 0 minus 28 is equals to 0. Then 4x minus 28 is equals to 0. Then to get the value of x, divide 4 to both sides. 4x divided by 4. Cancel 4, that will become x, and 28 divided by 4 is equals to 7. So x is equals to 7 and 0. Sa y-intercept naman, let x is equals to 0. So 4x minus 7y minus 28 is equals to 0. 4 times 0 minus 7y minus 28 is equals to 0. Then to get the value of y, divide negative 7y to both sides. So negative 7y divided by 7, cancel 7, that will become x. And 28 divided by negative 7y is equals to y is equals to 7. So the final answer is y is equals to 0 and negative 4. So in number 2, y is equals to log x plus 100. So kunin na natin yung x-intercept. Let y is equals to 0. So y is equals to log x plus 100 and 0 is equals to log x plus 100. Log to the base of 10 times x plus 100. So x plus 100 is equals to 1 and x is equals to 1 minus 100. So x is equals to negative 99. So the final answer is x is equals to 99, negative 99 rather, and 0. So y-intercept naman, let x is equals to 0. So y is equals to log x plus 100 and y is equals to log 0 plus 100. So y is equals to log 100 and y is equals to 2. So the final answer is 0 and 2. Number 3, y cubed plus 3y squared plus 3y is equals to x squared minus 28. So kunin na natin yung x-intercept. Let y is equals to 0. Y cubed plus 3y squared plus 3y is equals to x squared minus 28. So 0 cubed plus 3 times 0 squared plus 3 times 0 is equals to x squared minus 28. So 0 is equals to x squared minus 28. Then x squared is equals to 28. So the square root of x squared is equals to the square root of 28. So, x is equals to 2 square root of 7. So, the final answer is x is equals to 2 square root of 7 and 0. So, y-intercept naman, let x is equals to 0. So, y cubed plus 3y squared plus 3y is equals to x squared minus 28. So, y cubed plus 3y squared plus 3y is equals to 0 squared minus 28. So, y cubed plus 3y squared plus 3y plus 28 is equals to 0. So, y plus 1 cube plus 27 is equals to 0. Then, y plus 1 cube is equals to negative 27. And y plus 1 cube is equals to negative 3 cubes. So, y plus 1 is equals to negative 3 and y is equals to negative 3 minus 1. So, the answer is y is equals to negative 4. Then, the final answer is y is equals to 0 and negative 4. Part B. It says that test the following equations of the curves for symmetry. So, number 1, y is equals to x cubed minus 5x minus 6. Sa first column, let y is equals to negative y. So, y is equals to x cubed minus 5x minus 6. So, negative y is equals to x cubed minus 5x minus 6. Then, y is equals to x cubed plus 5x plus 6. So, it says na not symmetrical to x axis. Sa column B naman, let x is equals to negative x. So, y is equals to x cubed minus 5x minus 6. Y is equals to x cubed minus 5 negative x minus 6. So, y is equals to x cubed plus 5x minus 6. And it says na not symmetric to y-axis siya. Sa column C naman, let y is equals to y, negative y, and let x is equals to negative x. So, y is equals to x cubed minus 5x minus 6. Then, negative y is equals to x cubed minus 5 negative x minus 6. So, negative y is equals to x cubed plus 5x minus 6. And y is equals to x cubed plus minus rather 5x plus 6. So, it says na not symmetrical to the origin siya. Number 2, y is equals to log base of 3 times sin squared x plus cos x. So, sa first column, let y is equals to negative y. So, y is equals to log of 3 times sin squared x plus cos x. So, negative y is equals to log of 3 times sin squared x plus cos x. So, y is equals to log of 3 times sin squared x plus cos x. So, sinasabi dyan na not symmetric to x-axis siya. Sa second column naman, let x is equals to negative x. So, y is equals to log of 3 times sin squared x plus cos x. So, y is equals to log of 3 times sin squared negative x plus cos negative x. So, negative y is equals to negative log base of 3 times sin squared x plus cos x. So, sinasabi dyan na not symmetric to y-axis siya. Sa third column naman, let y is equals to negative y and let x is equals to negative x. So, y is equals to log base of 3 times sin squared x plus cos x. And negative y is equals to log base of 3 times sin squared negative x plus cos negative x. So, y is equals to log base of 3 times sin squared x plus cos x. So, sinasabi dyan na not symmetrical to the origin siya. Number 3, y cubed is equals to x squared minus 4 divided by x squared plus 5. So, sa first column, let y is equals to negative y. So y cubed is equals to x squared minus 4 divided by x squared plus 5. So negative y cubed is equals to x squared minus 4 divided by x squared plus 5. So negative y cubed is equals to x cubed minus 4 divided by x squared plus 5. Then y cubed is equals to x squared minus 4 divided by negative x squared plus 5. So not symmetric to x-axis siya. Sa second column naman, let x is equals to negative x. So y cubed is equals to x squared minus 4 divided by x squared plus 5. So y cubed is equals to negative x squared minus 4 divided by negative x squared plus 5. So y cubed is equals to x squared minus 4 divided by x squared plus 5. So symmetric to y-axis naman siya. Sa third column naman, let y is equals to negative y and let x is equals to negative x. So y cubed is equals to x squared minus 4 divided by x plus 5. So negative y cubed is equals to negative x squared minus 4 divided by negative x squared plus 5. So negative y cubed is equals to x squared minus 4 divided by x squared plus 5. So not symmetric to the origin naman yung ating third column. Exercise 4. Find the equation of the line. Number 1. Reduce the equation of the line A general form, B slope-intercept form, and C intercept form. So number 1, 1 divided by 3, x minus y plus 5. So sa general form, y is equals to mx plus b, and y is equals to 1 divided by 3 times negative 5. So 3y is equals to x plus negative 5, and 3y is equals to x minus 5 times 3. So 3y is equals to x minus 15. And the final answer is x minus 3y minus 15 is equals to 0. Sa slope-intercept form naman, y is equals to mx plus b. So 1 divided by 3x minus y plus 5. So negative y is equals to negative 1x divided by 3 minus negative 5. So negative y is equals to negative 3x divided by 3 plus 5. Then negative 1 is minus negative y is equals to negative 1x divided by 3 plus 5 minus 1. So the final answer is y is equals to 1 divided by 3x minus 5. Sa intercept form naman, x minus 3y minus 15 is equals to 0. So a is equals to negative c over a minus negative 15 divided by 1 is equals to 15. So b is equals to negative c over b minus negative 15 divided by negative 3 is equals to 15 divided by negative 3. So x over 15 plus y over 15 divided by negative 3 is equals to 1. Number 2, 7x plus 12y is equals to 2x plus 3. Sa general form, 7x plus 12y is equals to 2x plus 3, and 7x minus 2x plus 12y minus 3 is equals to 0. So 5x plus 12y minus 3 is equals to 0. Sa slope-intercept form naman, 7x plus 12 is equals to 2x plus 3. So y is equals to negative 5 over 12x plus 1 over 4. Sa intercept form naman, 5x plus 12y minus 3 is equals to 0. So a is equals to negative c over a minus negative 3 divided by 5 is equals to 3 divided by 5. So b is equals to negative c over b minus negative 3 divided by 12 is equals to 3 divided by 12. So x 3 divided by 5 plus y 3 divided by 12 is equals to 1. Number 3. 1 divided by 3y minus 1 divided by 2 times x plus 3 is equals to 0. Sa general form, y is equals to mx plus b and y is equals to 3 divided by 2x plus 9 divided by 2. So 2 times 0 is equals to 3 divided by 2x minus y plus 9 divided by 2 times 2. So the final answer is 3x minus 2y plus 9 is equals to 0. Sa slope-intercept form naman, 1 divided by 3, y, 1 divided by 2, x minus 3 divided by 2 is equals to 0. So 1 divided by 3y is equals to 1 divided by 2x plus 3 divided by 2. So the final answer is y is equals to 3 divided by 2x plus 9 divided by 2. Sa intercept form naman, 3x minus 2y plus 9 is equals to 0. So a is equals to negative c over a. Negative 9 divided by 3 is equals to negative 9 divided by 3. And b is equals to negative c over b. Negative 9 divided by negative 2 is equals to 9 divided by 2. So x negative 9 divided by 3 plus y 9 divided by 2 is equals to 1. Find the equation of the line. Number 2. Write the general equation of a line with slope m is equals to negative 4 and y-intercept b is equals to 4 over 5 and draw a line. So m is equals to negative 4 and b is equals to 45 and y is equals to mx plus b and y is equals to negative 4x plus 45. Number 3. Write the general equation of a line with the x-intercept a is equals to negative 1 over 2 and the y-intercept b is equals to 3 over 4. So a is equals to negative 1 over 2 and b is equals to 3 over 4. So x divided by a plus y divided by b. So x divided by negative 1 divided by 2 plus y 3 divided by 4 is equals to 3 times 2x plus 4y divided by 3 is equals to 1 times 3. So the final answer is 6x plus 4y is equals to 3.
So, nandito na tayo sa exercise number 5. Number 1. Reduce the equation 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0 to its normal form and identify the beta and p. So, the given is 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. So, the formula that we use is ax plus by over positive negative square root of a squared plus b squared is equal to negative c over positive negative square root of a squared plus b squared. So, 2x minus 3y over negative square root of quantity of 2 raised to 2 plus quantity of negative 3 square raised to 2. So, equals negative 6 over negative square root of quantity of 2 raised to 2 plus quantity of negative 3 raised to 2. So, negative 2x plus 3y over square root of 13 is equals to negative 6 over square root negative square root of 13. So, sa baba naman, so gagawin natin siyang positive. So, negative 2x plus 3y over square root of 13 is equals to 6 square root of 13. So, pagdating naman sa cos b, a over positive negative square root of a squared plus b squared is equals to negative 2x over square root of 13. Sa sin b naman is equals to positive negative square root of a squared plus b squared. And then yung dun sa taas na pala, nakalimutan ko yung b. So, is equals to 3y over square root of 13. So, yung b natin is 123.7 degrees. So, yung p naman is equals to negative c over positive negative square root of a squared plus b squared is equals to 6 over positive 13. So, sa number 2, Find the general equation of the line parallel to 4x minus 3y is equals to 15 and passing twice as far from the origin. So, 4x minus 3y is equal to 15. Substitute natin. 4x minus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. And then 4x minus 3y over negative square root of quantity of 4 raised to 2 plus quantity of negative 3 raised to 2 is equal to minus negative 15 over negative square root of 4 squared plus negative 3 raised to 2. So, 4x plus 3y over 5 is equal to negative 15 over negative 5. So, 4x plus 3 over 5 is equals to 3. So, P is equal to positive negative quantity of absolute 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. And then, 4x minus 3y is equal to positive negative 5. So, the answer is 4x minus 3y positive negative 5 is equals to 0. Number 3. Find the general equation of a line parallel to the line 2x plus 3y is equals to 6 and passing at a distance of 5 square root of 13 over 13 from the point of negative 1 and 1. So, 2x plus 3y is equals to 6. So, magiging 2x plus 3y negative 6 equals to 0. And then, yung 6 is magiging k. So, 2x plus 3y plus k is equal to 0. So, ang mangyari dyan is d is equal to 5 square root of 13 over 13. And then, d is equal to positive negative AP plus BQ plus C over square root of A squared plus B squared. So, substitute natin. So, yung D natin is 5 square root of 13 over 13. So, dito natin siya lalagay. 5 square root of 13 over 13 is equal to positive negative. Yung AP natin is 2 negative 1 plus yung BQ natin is 3 times 1. Then, yung C natin is yung K. So, over square root of 2 raised to 2 plus 3 raised to 2. Then, baba lang natin yung 5 square root of 13 over 13 is equals to positive negative 2 plus 3 plus K is equals over square root of 4 plus 9. So, baba lang ulit natin. 5 over 13 5 square root of 13 over 13 is equals to positive negative 1 plus K over square root of 13. So, ganun ulit. Ibaba lang ulit natin yung 5 square root of 13 over 13 is equals to 1 plus K square root of 13 over 13. So, 5 square root of 13 over 13 is equals to square root of 13 plus square root of 13k over 13. So, 5 square root of 13 5 square root of 13 is equals to square root of 13 plus 13k. Negative square root of 13k is equals to square root of 13 minus 5 square root of 13. So, negative square root of 13 negative square root 13k is equals to square root of 13 minus 4 square root of 13 minus square root of 13. So, yung k natin dito is 4 and the answer is 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equals to 0. Next, number 4. Find the general equation of a line perpendicular to the line 2x plus 3y is equals to 6 and passing at a distance of 5 square root of 13 over 13 from the point negative 1 and 1. So the given is 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. So 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. So yung d natin is 5 square root of 13 over 13. And yung point natin is negative 1 and 1. So line 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. So yung y natin is negative 2 over 3 x plus 2. So yung m natin is equal to negative 2 over 3. So slope of the line perpendicular to line 2x plus 3y is 6 is m is equal to negative 2 over 3. And yung y natin is 3 over 2x plus b. So 2y is equal to 3x plus 2b. So negative 3x plus 2y minus 2b is equal to 0. So negative 3x plus 2y plus c is equals to 0. And then d is equals to positive, negative, absolute value of AP plus BQ plus C, gaya lang yung kanina, over square root of A squared plus B squared. So 5 square root of 13 over 13 is equal to positive, negative, absolute value of negative 3 times negative 1 plus 2 times 1 plus K over square root of negative 3 squared plus 2 squared. So absolute value of 3 plus 2 plus k is equals to square root of 13. And then absolute value of 5 plus k over square root of 13. So absolute value of 5 plus k absolute value of 5 plus k is equal to 5. So 5 plus k is equal to 5. And k plus 5 is equal to negative 5. So k is equal to 0 and k plus negative 10. So negative 3x plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. So the equation of the line that is perpendicular to line 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 passing the distance 5 square root of 13 over 13 from the point negative 1 and 1 is negative 3x plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. So number 5, find the distance between lines 4x minus 6y is equals to 9 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. So 4x minus 6y is equals to 9 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. 4x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. So dp is equal to absolute value of p2 minus p1. So p1 is equal to negative c1 over square root of positive negative a squared plus b squared. So is equals to minus negative 9 over negative 4 squared plus negative 6 squared. So P1 is equal to 9 over 2 square root of 13. So P2 is equal to negative C2 over square root of A squared plus B squared. So is equals to minus negative 6 over negative square root of 2 squared plus negative 3 squared. So P2 is equal to 6 over square root of 13. So dP is equals to absolute value of P2 over P2 minus P1. So is equal to absolute value of 6 over square root of 13 minus 9 square root of minus 9 over 2 square root of 13. So 3 absolute value of 3 over 2 square root of 13. So tatanggal natin yung absolute. So 3 over 2 over 13 na lang ay square root of 13. So it's equal to 3 square root of 13 over 26. So last, number 6. Find the direct distance from line 4x minus 5y is equals to 20 to point 1 and 1. So, for x minus 5y minus 20 is equal to 0. So, dx is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c over positive negative square root of a squared plus b squared. So, 4, quantity of 1 plus quantity negative 5 times 1 plus negative 20 over square root of quantity raised to quantity of 4 raised to 2 plus quantity of negative 5 raised to 2. So 4 minus 5 minus 20 over negative square root of 41, and the answer is 21 square root of 41 over 41.